Welcome home to this fabulous home in the Elms at Stonebriar gated neighborhood. Stress-free living. No worries about mowing or trimming. The neighborhood also features a private pool and clubhouse. You will love this home that features an open floor plan with cathedral ceilings that boast of gorgeous wood beams. Stunning floor-to-ceiling rock fireplace with beautiful wood mantle. The kitchen features granite counters, an island, pantry and wood beams. The master bed/retreat is massive and is adorned with a stunning tray ceiling. The master bath features double sinks, large walk-in shower, whirlpool tub and huge master closet. The guest bedrooms are spacious with large closets. The guest bathroom also had double vanities and is very large. The private covered back patio extends the entertainment outside and includes a wood-burning fireplace.